All the way live from beautiful Southern California. On tonight's show, we use a PlayStation 5 as a launch pad. And of course, in true fashion, we crash. How are we doing? Yes, live commentary on its way. Oh, this is an iconic location. Mr. Steele flew here. Ooh, he did the line of sight. That's the rock he hit right there. Or maybe it was that one. I'm not sure. We're gonna do a little flight real quick. Yeah, a little bit of power loop. I'm just chilling. There's so many drones flying right now. Wouldn't be lying if I'm not nervous. As you can tell, it's like, what, golden hour right now? Golden hour with some analog. Woo! Yes. Beautiful. Yes, just take our time. Easy does it. Through the woods. Yes. Can't see anything. Can't see shit, but we gonna do it anyways. Oh, lordy, this is some acro shit right here. Woo! We got the road next to us too. Get some height on this. Come around the corner. This is a good little flying spot. Ooh, we do a little forest action. And no, we're not like a freaking Alex Vanover or a Mr. Drib. I call him Mr. Drib. He likes to be called Le Drib. Woo! See, those death branches can get you. Oh, soft bodies. Soft bodies. Uh-oh, there's people everywhere. Everywhere. Let's go up to the clouds. Oh, I hear somebody cussing over here. Ooh, you can't see nothing, dude. Taking all the chances right now. Oh, no. Woo! Feel the prop wash. Feel the prop wash. Billy, BL Hellies, do your work. Do your work. There you go. Do your beauty. Oh, yeah. Is there people over here? There is people over here. Turning. Woo! This is not smart. Yeah, so you can see, like, this is definitely where you need practice. Oh! And we crash. All right, what we have here is a drone stuck in a tree. Bottom left screen. He's shaking the shit out of this tree, trying to get it out. All right, well, here, I'm going to hit the motor. I can see it right here in the tree. See it. Shout out to everybody at the park that day. We were trying to find it, but as I walked up right here on the right, you can see. Oh shit. Oh yeah. It's not even. Yeah, in Betaflight, I did not program it to beep, and I also didn't program it to arm after, say, like, I don't even know what's the factory, 25 degrees. So we had a couple situations, but it wasn't that high. Boom, you see it? Yeah. Hola, ACchillin. Put a hashtag on there. That shit should be filming right now. It's like, so this is a how to get it out. It says link quality. Oh, I gotta turn this back on. That would help. Yep. Oh, it's so funny. I brought the PlayStation 5. Don't hit me. We filmed this in slow-mo. It'll be on our other socials, so Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok. Yes. Anybody who's done FPV, well, not anybody, but the majority of people who do it, this is a common scenario.
Careful.
We'll be putting this up on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, links in the description.
There you go, there you go.
Get it!
Here we go, ready to catch it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna come out. It's gonna come
It
out.
was the smallest stick in the world holding that fucking drone up there.
Let's see, bring the stick on this side. You're going the wrong way. Let me try this.
Chillin'. This is a post from the Snapchat. Check out my Snapchat. Everywhere, chillin'. What? And then I'm gonna include in these videos, this is raw GoPro footage. There's no filters on here. It's a GoPro 5. After this will be raw DVR footage. If you wanted to see it, there you go.